Dear students, good morning. We will continue with exercise 4.3. Third sum, first part. So here, first part is x minus 1 by x equal to 3. So you simplify it, taking x as LCM. X into x square minus 1 equal to 3. X square minus 1 equal to 3x. X square minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Now you can simplify it by applying quadratic formula a1 b minus 3 c minus 1. So d equal to b square minus 4ac. Minus 3 square, a's value is 1, c's value minus 1. So 9 plus 4, it comes out to be 13. Since d greater than 0, so it has real and distinct roots. So first you take x as LCM, x into x square minus 1, cross multiplication, x square minus 1 equal to 3x, x square minus 3x minus 1, this 3x will move to left hand side, become negative. So x square minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. When you compare it with the x square plus bx plus c, a comes out to be 1, b comes out to be minus 3 and c comes out to be minus 1. So d equal to b square minus 4ac. So b is minus 3 square minus 4 into a is 1, c is minus 1. So 9 plus 4, it comes out to be 13. Since d greater than 0, it means it has real and distinct roots. So x equal to minus b plus minus d is under root 13 over 2a, that is 3 plus minus under root 13 over 2. So its one root is positive, other is negative, right? Similarly, you can solve the other part. So here LCM is x plus 4, you have to simplify actually. Here the LCM is x plus 4 and x minus 7. So x minus 7 into 1, x minus 7 minus x plus 4 into 1, that is x plus 4 equal to 11 by 30. So after negative sign, sign of bracket will change automatically. Minus x minus 4, this is x square, minus 7x plus 4x minus 28 equal to 11 by 30. X and x will cancel. Minus 11 over x square minus 3x minus 28, 11 by 30. So 11 and 11 will cancel. Minus 30 equal to x square minus 3x minus 28. So minus 30 will move to the left side. It will become plus 30. So x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So 2 to the 4. So you can split the middle term here. So x common, x minus 2, 1 common, x minus 2. So factors are x minus 2 and x minus 1. So either x equal to 2, x minus 2 equal to 0. So you can say x equal to 2. So in other case x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1. There are certain extra sums. One of them is very important sum like this. One extra sum, this is extra sum. 1 over a plus 1 over b plus 1 over x. 1 over a plus b plus x, where x is a variable, a, b, c is constant. So what you will do, you will keep 1 over a and 1 over b here, you move x to the left side, right? Right side such. AB is the LCM, b into 1b plus a. So here LCM is x into a plus b plus x a plus b plus x will cancel, x into 1 x minus x will cancel, a plus b plus x will come here, a plus b over ab, x minus a minus b minus x over आ गया ax bx plus x square. X will cancel automatically. Minus you take common, after negative sign will change. X square plus ax plus bx. So a plus b will cancel. Now you cross multiply them. X square plus ax plus bx. When you cross multiply this will be equal to minus a. So x square plus ax plus bx plus ab equal to 0. So here x common, x plus a, b common, x plus a. So factors are x plus a and x plus b. So x equal to minus a and x equal to minus. Again see 1 over a plus 1 over b plus 1 over x equal to 1 over a plus b plus x. So here x will move to left hand side. AB is the LCM, b into 1 b, a into 1 a. So here LCM is x into a plus b plus x. So x into 1 x minus a plus b plus x. After negative sign will change, minus a minus b minus x. Similarly here it will come as such, minus a plus minus sign taken common, so it is a plus b will cancel. So x square plus ax plus bx equal to minus ab. This minus ab will become plus ab. X common, x plus a, b common, x plus a. So factors are x plus a and x plus b. So either x comes out to be minus a or x comes out to be minus b. Thank you.